The admissions office guides students through the key steps to successfully enroll at RCSJ. Over 10,000 are enrolled at RCSJ. It's easy to see why. RCSJ is ranked the #1 community college in New Jersey by Schools.com, has the #1 nursing program, computer graphic arts program, and cooperative education program in New Jersey. Offers over 120 quality academic programs, including fully online options. Has outstanding student services and resources to help students thrive. Helps students seamlessly transfer to a 4-year institution through our transfer partnerships. Facilitates engaging educational and community experiences, including student life activities, clubs, athletics, advocacy, and more. Boasts one of the lowest tuition rates in New Jersey, with no increase for 2020-21. General admissions. Complete the free admissions application for your intended campus at rcsj.edu/apply. Gloucester students. An acceptance email is sent to the address provided on the application within 1 to 2 business days. This email contains login information for the student portal account. Cumberland students. Approximately 7 to 10 days after applying, students receive an acceptance letter containing their college ID, email, and login information to access registration and other resources. Complete admissions requirements. Submit official high school transcripts or equivalency, e.g. GED, HiSET, etc., and any college transcripts to the admissions office for your campus. Unofficial transcripts may be used to assist in course advisement. Testing requirements for general admissions are waived for summer and fall 2020, unless otherwise specified. Students are encouraged to submit any previous test scores, SAT, ACT, etc., to assist with course placement. In some cases, remote AccuPlacer testing is now available. Learn more at rcsj.edu/testing. Please note that AccuPlacer testing is required for selective admission program applicants and NJ STARS students. Additional requirements. Submit immunization record form to admissions. Apply for financial aid. Additional information is available at rcsj.edu/financial aid. Selective admissions programs such as nursing, diagnostic medical sonography, etc. have additional application requirements. Specific criteria and more is available at rcsj.edu/selective admissions. Register for classes. Gloucester students. Schedule an appointment with an advisor at rcsj.edu/advisement/Gloucester. After meeting with your advisor, register for courses via the RCSJ student portal. Cumberland students. Email advisement@cccnj.edu for assistance selecting courses. After registration, view and pay your bill through your online student account. Contact us. Our admissions offices can be reached through the following contact information. Gloucester Office of Admissions. admissions@rcsj.edu. 856-468-5000. Extension 2209. That's 856-468-5000, extension 2209. Cumberland Office of Admissions and Recruitment. admissions@ccrcsj.edu. 856-691-8600, extension 1336. That's 856-691-8600, extension 1336.